este universo, as we see it, feels solid, predictable, and real. Yet beneath everything we touch, everything we know, and everything we believe to be stable, there exists a hidden layer of reality so strange and complex that it challenges the very idea of what existence actually means. Quantum physics is not just a field of science. It is a doorway into a world where the rules we rely on begin to break down, where particles can exist in multiple states at once, where something can be both there and not there, and where observation itself has the power to influence what becomes real. At the smallest scale imaginable, reality stops behaving like something fixed and instead becomes a field of possibilities, where particles do not follow a single path, but every possible path at the same time, creating a universe that is not determined until it is observed, as if existence itself waits for awareness to give it form. One of the most fascinating ideas in quantum physics is that of entanglement, a phenomenon where two particles become so deeply connected that no matter how far apart they are, across any distance in the universe, a change in one instantly affects the other, suggesting that space and distance may not be as real or as limiting as we once believed. This raises a question that goes beyond science and enters something deeper, something almost philosophical. Because if everything at the most fundamental level is connected in ways we cannot see, then the universe is not a collection of separate parts, but a single, unified system where everything influences everything else. And as we look further into the cosmos, observing galaxies, stars, and vast empty spaces that stretch beyond imagination, we begin to realize that the same strange quantum rules that govern the smallest particles may also be shaping the largest structures, linking the micro and the macro in ways that we are only beginning to understand. The idea that reality is not fixed but constantly forming, that what we observe is only one version of what could exist, opens the possibility that the universe is far more dynamic and mysterious than anything we have ever imagined. A place where certainty is replaced by probability, and where the unknown is not a limit, but an invitation to explore. And perhaps the most intriguing part of all this is not just the science itself, but what it means for us. Because if reality is influenced by observation, if connection exists beyond distance, and if the universe is constantly evolving at every level, then our understanding of existence is only just beginning.